Good morning, everyone. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Thursday to Friday, December 30th to 31st, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And today, December 30th, we mark the death anniversary of the late national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. And since it's a holiday, most of us will remain at home or either go to the malls or work in the parks. But so far, it's been the same weather systems across the Philippine Islands. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GraphSat for today. This is we issued this last night, Wednesday, December 29, until Thursday. Today, 30th, December 30th. There you go, still the same weather systems. The northeast monsoon affecting much of the country from Luzon down to MiMaRoPa and Visayas. And we have here the tail end of a frontal system still stationary and affecting the eastern sections of the Visayas, and it's now moving more to the south, affecting northeastern and eastern Mindanao. Those are areas like Caraga and Davao region. So we expect some rains and thunderstorms across these areas within the next couple of days. And down here, we have the surface trough. Also known as a near equatorial trough since it's closer to the equator. And so far, the waves across the Philippine Islands or the sea, or the state of the sea, will remain rough and dangerous to small sea crafts, particularly those facing the Philippine Sea and the West Philippine Sea, while inland waters of the Philippine Islands will remain 1 to 2 meters of wave height. Nothing unusual, but somewhat it's a little wavy. Okay. While over the eastern sections of Luzon, it will be much risky when it comes to small sea crafts, and it will make you feel dizzy since the waves will be around 2 to 5 meters or 4 meters in height. So please take all necessary precautions. The small sea crafts are not allowed during the time of the winter monsoon, since it's very dangerous and it may cause some capsize of your small fishing vessel. So please take all necessary precautions. The forecast of the monsoon will continue to prevail until January 2 to 3. That's the forecast based on the computer models as of this time. Luckily for us, we don't have any developing tropical cyclone or low pressure areas that is expected within the next 5 to 10 days. So all clear across the Western Pacific, except for the American model. There might be a developing system here over the West Philippine Sea, but so far, if we look at the European model, there's nothing to show. And if you take a look at the fast animation, there you go. These are the cloudiness of the shear line and the northeast monsoon. There will be some light rain drizzles across Luzon and Visayas, becoming more frequent with light to moderate or at times heavy rainfall across eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao because of the shear line or the tail end of a frontal system. So there you go. These are isolated rain showers and some thunderstorms across the coastal areas of Caraga and eastern Visayas because of the shear line. While if we take a look at the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days from the ECMWF model, this is beginning 8 a.m. yesterday until 8 a.m. tomorrow, or today, until 8 a.m. today. We expect here some heavy rainfall across southern Leyte, eastern Samar, And the areas of Caraga, particularly the Surigao provinces, and those affected affected by Super Typhoon Ulat. So please take all necessary precautions against heavy rainfall, flooding, landslides brought about by this shear line. If we extend it for the next 3 days until Friday, expect here some rain system brought about by this shear line affecting eastern Visayas and Caraga region, and also extending across portions of central Visayas, northern Mindanao, and Zamboanga del Norte. And also some rainfall will be expected across the southern tip of Palawan, the southernmost part of Sulu Archipelago, and across the Spratly Islands in the West Philippine Sea. So far, the rain here across various parts of the country will remain non-existent, except for the eastern sections of Luzon, from Cagayan Valley down to northern Quezon. There could be some light showers, light rainfall brought about by the northeast monsoon, and also across some areas of the Bicol region, but these are drizzles to light rain as well. Okay, so there goes the rainfall accumulation forecast. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast. This is from the American model, since they are more reliable when it comes to the wind speed of the northeast monsoon. For today, Thursday, until tomorrow, Friday, we could expect winds of around 30 to 50 kph, okay, across the eastern, northern, as well as southern portions of the Luzon, MiMaRoPa, Sulu Archipelago, and Visayas. And if we take a look at the European model rain forecast, let me move this. So for today, Thursday, here comes the shear line affecting eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao, with some thunderstorms extending across the whole of the Visayas because of the combined effects of the shear line and the northeast monsoon. And on Friday, the shear line will continue to affect the Visayas, and also extending down south across the northeastern and eastern Mindanao. That will be until Friday. Okay, on Friday we'll be giving you the latest video analysis for the weekend until next year. And if we take a look now at the Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid beginning December 29 to the January 4. This is for week 1. Above average rainfall brought about by the northeast monsoon and the combined effects of the with the combined effect of the shear line. There might be some above average rainfall across MiMaRoPa, Visayas, and Mindanao. And on week 2, valid January 5 to January 11, normal weather conditions will be expected across the Philippine Islands with no tropical cyclone development. We have one here over the South Pacific Islands, east of Australia, a 50-50 chance of a tropical cyclone development. But so far in our basin, there's nothing. Okay, so that's the good news. So there you go. That's the latest for this early morning of Thursday until Friday, December 31st on New Year's Eve. We'll be returning again for the during the last day of the month to give you the very latest on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands. So that will be on December 31st, Friday, New Year's Eve. Again, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.